Well, good morning. We're at Foulshaw Moss today, trying to get the 120 list finished really. We're on 115. We've got a few birds that we can try and see today, but especially ospreys that nest here. So come along for the journey and hopefully you'll see us complete the quest for 120 birds in a calendar year by the end of June. So I'll see you soon. So we've got an osprey, literally 30 seconds walk from the car park. We've got a nest in sight and we've got one just on the top of a tree. So that's 116. That's pretty quick. And I think I'm going to set the scope up and have a little look, see if we can see any chicks on the nest, and I'll get you some footage. So we've moved down a little bit, get a better view through the scope, and this one's eating trout or something pretty big fish anyway. And then there's a mother, I presume mother, on the nest with some juveniles. Can't tell how many, I think there's two. But yeah, some really, really good views. Best views I've ever seen of an osprey. Really close. So yeah, I've got that one added to the list, and we can move on and see what else we can see. So we're just at the feeders. I believe that they've got siskin and red poll. So we're just going to see if we can see those, because we haven't got them on our list. There's an absolutely massive rat underneath the bird feeder. Can't add that to the list though. So we'll just sit here for a bit and see what crops up.
That rat chased that blackbird off too.
Oh, I didn't see it.
Yeah, blackbird landed and chased it off.
Where's that? Oh, are you? So as you'll have seen, no linnets, no red poll, but some really nice views of a, oh my god, what are they called? Great spotted woodpecker, couldn't think of its name, and of some juvenile chaffinches, juvenile great tit, blue tit, so that was nice, but still searching for that 117th bird. Just got to keep our eyes peeled, but check this place out. This is, it's incredible. Really, really nice place. So we'll keep our eyes peeled, we'll have a wander around, and then I think after this we're going to head down to Leighton Moss again. And we've heard there's been spoonbill sighted and green shank, not hobby, so if we can get at least a couple of those, work our way towards the 120, we'll be pleased. We've just stopped, we could hear some birds, we got Merlin out. We don't know what the birds are. Merlin's saying hearing a bird, but then not telling us what the bird is. And what we don't want to do is walk off having missed a bird that we've not got on our list. So we're just stood waiting to see if something becomes visible. Because that's perfect, yeah. Our knowledge of bird song is not great. So we'll just have to wait a minute, see what pops up. Well, I'm glad we stopped, we both are. We just spotted a little bird at the top of a tree, had a look round, and it was a spotted flycatcher. So that's a first bird for both of us. A lifer, some might say. So yeah.
I wouldn't say that.
We just sort of sat at the top of the tree for a bit. I went to get some video, got some video of it, but you'll have seen the autofocus isn't great, it keeps jumping, but tried to get a photo. As soon as I put it in photo mode, it flew off. But we've got it, we've added it to the list. So that's 117 so far. And that's a really good one to add to the list, so I'm pleased that we stopped here to have a look around. Right, let's carry on, see if we can add some more and get to that 120. Oh, reminds me of Leeds Festival 2008, that. Disgusting. Pungent. Remind me never to use Portaloo after a week-long heat wave ever again. Well, after a bit of a detour, because I put the wrong place in the sat-nav, we made it to the Saltmarsh car park for Leighton Moss. So we're going to head down now. I've seen online that there's been some sightings of spoonbill, green shank and knot here. So if we manage to get those three, that's the 120 birds done, which is good, but also it means we're going to have to try and think of how we can extend the challenge, because I can't finish in June and do nothing else for the rest of the year, so we'll have to put our minds to it. But don't want to count my chickens yet. Got to see the birds first. So let's see if we can get them.
We're on the far side of shot it across. What's that? Is there a nest? I presume it's a nest, it's in the air. The rat.
Black-tailed godwit.
This one will be actually.
Got some nice habitats. It's a black-tailed godwit. There's that I managed to capture. It looks like it just sat on a nest in front of us. Some red shank. Nothing new as of yet though, but we'll keep scanning. Should we walk up to the other side? Yeah. Right, we'll head up to the other side, see if we can see anything there. Hard wax out there. Not looking promising for anything different. Not looking promising for anything different. I'll give it 5 minutes. Well, nothing new in that hide. So some really nice views of the black-tailed godwits again, avocets. Yeah, loads of avocets. Some spotted red shank in the middle with the, I think they were anyway, in with the black-tailed godwits. But now it's time to head back to the car, drive up to the main reserve and get some lunch because we are both starving. I don't think I mentioned at the start, this is Dad's Father's Day present to me. I'm taking him out for the day, buy his lunch, and he's just told me, because we're going to have a late lunch, that he might not even be hungry for tea, so I'm quids in. My sneaky plan to... I don't think so. My sneaky plan to put lunch as late as possible so he'd be full for tea has worked wonders. Right, I'll catch you at the visitor centre.
McDonald's.
McDonald's. Well, we've had lunch, lovely. Chicken, bacon, barbecue, cheese, toasty. Was delicious. And we're heading out now towards the Lower Hyde. Last time we came to Leighton Moss, we didn't visit the Lower Hyde. I'm not really sure why. I think we were just being lazy.
It was too far.
Yeah. So we're going to go to it this time. I've seen reports that tawny owls are commonly seen on the path towards it, and we've not got tawny owl on the list. So we're going to go there, give that a go, see what we see. We were just saying that last time we came here, when did we come? About February? March?
Yeah, probably March, I think.
Something like that.
My birthday.
Yeah.
March,
We must have seen marsh harriers 20 times. Not seen one today so far. Not a single one flying across, which is a bit odd. But we're going to see what we can see. Hopefully we'll see some new birds, but if not, it's still a lovely day to be out. And yeah, let's hope for the best.
We'll see you.
No tawny owls on that path. That's 1.5 kilometres I'll never get back. So we're going to try the Hyde instead. See if we can get anything new from here. We've just come out of the Lower Hyde at Leighton Moss. Saw some really good views of a marsh harrier, but nothing new.
At the mic.
thinking that would fit inside an ordinary backpack.
Probably, yeah.
All of that,
So we're going to walk back, see if we can see this owl again. But it looks like we're stuck on 117 when I jinxed it this morning saying
yeah.
we might get the 120 today.
You haven't looked on the bird table, have we?
No, could be some siskins
On red pole.
and red poll, we don't know. Let's have a look. But it's not looking promising. What do you want to do? Do you want to carry on walking to some more hides, or
Not bothered.
while we're here, 10 to 4? If we aim to leave at 5, what do you reckon?
Yeah, that's fine.
Perfect, so we'll leave at 5, we've got another hour or so. See what we can see. And try and get that number up. Fingers crossed. Not much going on, is there? Not much going on. I've had some good views of great crested grebes with the chicks, cormorants, the swifts and the house martins constantly feeding off flies. Again, nothing new, nothing to add to the list. So we're going to keep moving. Another house martin. Right, let's keep moving. We've just had some really good views of a couple of tree creepers just playing in the trees outside this hide. That was really nice. Not one to add to the list, but a really nice bird to see and hear. So I've got some video, I'll put it on the screen for you now. I tried to get some pictures, but it was too dark, so they all came out really grainy. But yeah, enjoy those videos, and I'm going to see if I can spot anything from the lily inside. We just had an osprey fishing above us. It wasn't to be for it to catch anything, but it was fishing above us. I'll put the footage on now. Never seen an osprey so close. Hopefully he comes back and catches some fish this time. But it went quite far away. So glad we decided to stay and come to this side. Really impressive. Day. We've seen an osprey to add to the list, and we've seen the spotted flycatcher to add to the list. The views of the Osprey we just had from that lily inside were fantastic. So I think all in all, it's been a good day. We might not have got to the 120 today, but it just means more videos, more days out to try and get that number up. So thanks for joining us. If you enjoyed it, make sure you like and subscribe.
See ya.
And we'll see you all soon. What he said. Bye.